your program, Small Chinese.
Hello everyone, I'm your host Maria.
You have to subscribe, like and share, please. Today my topic is about words in small Chinese. I'm going to teach you some words. I'm in Beijing, a beautiful place called Tongzhou, but today I'm not going to talk about Tongzhou. I'm going to teach you the main important thing if you want to come to China, or you want to do something in China, or you want to do business or study in China. The main important things you have to know. There are 4 main things you have to know. The first one you have to know, we call it WeChat. WeChat. Make sure you download WeChat. How did you call WeChat in Chinese? It's Weixin. Weixin means WeChat. Inside WeChat, we have different type of categories. For example, when you arrive in a place, you need money to spend your money. You don't need to come with cash. So through WeChat, you can upload money inside WeChat. So when you arrive in China, because many taxis, buses, subways, trains, they all use WeChat payment. So with WeChat payments, you can easily travel by buses, by car, by train, by flight. So under WeChat, you can find a category called Fuquan. Fuquan means payment. Payment, you will see it on the screen. So when you open WeChat, under WeChat, you will have to have a card, a bank card where you will just save your money. Just like when you're in Europe or Africa, you save your money in the bank. You don't need to carry cash. So you just save your money on that side of it. So you save your money when you're going through, you want to go through by another city or another state or another town. You just use your WeChat and make sure you pay through that. And through WeChat, you can pay your telephone bill. Denhua, it means phone. And through WeChat also, you can make sure you buy some little things on shop. You can shop there through WeChat. And you also can show you many things you want to know. The second one you have to know is, we call it in Europe or Africa Uber, but here we call it Didi Che. Didi Che means Uber. In Europe we call it Uber, but in China it's Didi Che. You can see it on the screen. Didi Che. Make sure you download Didi Che. That is the second one you have to know. With Didi Che, you can take it anywhere, any corner you want to go in China. So remember, the second one is Didi Che. If you want to come to China as a student, as a visitor, you want to come here for business, make sure the second one you download is Didi Che. Didi Che. So if you want to come to China, remember the first one is Weixin, which they call WeChat. Weixin, WeChat, and Didi Che. Didi Che is Uber cars. So it's very easy with you if you have Didi Che. If you have Uber in your phone, which is called Didi in China, it's very easy for you to mobilize, move around, go around with Didi Che, which we call Uber in Europe. Okay? With small Chinese. The third one is what? Baidu Ditu. Download Baidu Ditu. Baidu Ditu means Baidu map. Can take you all in those corners. The last one, not the least, is Alipay. You have to have Alipay in your phone with small Chinese. With this one, when you come to China, it's very easy. Okay? Did you remember what I said? Make sure you have all these wonderful things on your phone with small Chinese.
Small Chinese. Don't forget to keep following Small Chinese and join us next time.